In this video, I'm going to show you how to install Python in 2023. So first, you go to the link python.org/downloads and you click on the download Python button. So once you click download, I'm going to save it inside the downloads folder and click save. After it finishes downloading, go ahead and double click on the exe file. And click install now. We are halfway done. Now you need to set up the environmental variables so you can run your Python program. Go to search bar, type in IDLE, and click on open file location. And then you right click and click on open file location again. And then you click on the path and copy this path. Go to search bar and type edit the system environmental variables and click on it. In the Advanced tab, click on Environment Variables. Click on Path. Then click on New and paste in the link that you copied earlier. Then click OK. Let's check that Python is set up properly by going to the command prompt in the Windows. Then type Python. And then the command print hello world. And if the output is hello world, then you know that Python is set up properly. The final step is to write your first Python program. So here I have Sublime Text, which is where we're going to write our code, but you can use any text editor that you want. So go ahead and type in print hello world just like last time. To save this file, click on File and Save As. So you can save this anywhere that you want. I'm just going to save it at the location this PC desktop script files. And I'm going to name the file as helloworld.py. You can see that my Python program is saved here, and I'm going to copy the path where my Python program is, and in the command prompt, I'm going to type in cd and paste that path. So basically, you're going into that path in the command prompt, and then you type python helloworld.py. And as you can see, it prints out hello world. Congratulations! At this point, you finished installing Python. And if you found this video helpful, please do not forget to click subscribe on this channel and also my second channel, as you can see on the right. And in the next video, I will show you how to install Sublime Text if this is a text editor that you like to use.